The University of Portsmouth, a renowned public research university founded in 1870, invites you to embark on a transformative academic journey. Portsmouth, with its diverse postgraduate programmes, is renowned for enabling students to excel in their careers and research. This university offers exceptional opportunities, regardless of your interest in business, computer science or engineering. Scholarships like the Vice Chancellor Scholarship open doors for high-achieving students, all within this historic coastal city's vibrant supportive campus. To learn more about applying at the University of Portsmouth, visit our International Admissions Service office, where our certified study abroad experts are ready to guide you through every step of the process. The International Admissions Service assists you in choosing the right career and course. Get free expert advice and information at the International Admissions Service office, or book a free online counselling session. Hurry up and best of luck!